HTTP content negotiation is a fundamental mechanism that allows web servers to deliver resources in the most suitable format for each client. Its primary purpose is to ensure that users receive content tailored to their specific needs, such as language preferences, file formats, or encoding types. Different clients, like browsers or mobile devices, may request the same resource but require it in distinct representations. Content negotiation enables servers to automatically evaluate these requests and select the best version of the resource to send. This process improves compatibility, accessibility, and user experience across diverse platforms. By supporting multiple representations, content negotiation helps websites reach a broader audience and adapt to evolving technological standards. Content negotiation is a process that allows web servers and clients to communicate preferences about the format and presentation of data. This is primarily managed through several HTTP headers. The accept header specifies the media type the client can handle, such as application JSON or text HTML, guiding the server to respond with the appropriate format. Accept language indicates the client's preferred language, for example, NUS for American English or FR for French, enabling localized responses. Accept encoding communicates which compression algorithms, like gzip or deflate, the client supports, helping reduce data transfer size. Lastly, accept charset defines the character sets the client can process, such as UTF-8 or ISO 88591. By using these headers, clients and servers can efficiently tailor responses to meet specific requirements and preferences. Content negotiation is a process that determines the most appropriate format for data exchanged between a client and a server. There are three main types: server-driven, client-driven, and transparent negotiation. In server-driven negotiation, the server examines the client's preferences and selects the best response format, offering simplicity but sometimes lacking flexibility. Client-driven negotiation allows the client to specify exactly what it wants, giving more control but requiring additional requests. Transparent negotiation involves an intermediary that helps both parties agree on the best format, which can improve efficiency but adds complexity. The vary header plays a crucial role in all these types by informing intermediary caches which request headers affect the response, ensuring that cached content remains accurate and relevant for different clients. Imagine a client requesting data from a server, specifying its preferred format using the accept header. If the client asks for JSON, the server responds with a JSON representation. If XML is requested instead, the server delivers the data in XML format. This process, known as content negotiation, allows APIs to serve multiple client needs without changing the underlying resource. It also supports internationalization by enabling responses in different languages and can improve performance by delivering only the necessary data format. Content negotiation is a key feature of RESTful design, promoting flexibility and adaptability in modern web services.